So I was sitting, under the quarantine, and I was thinking, how awesome would it be if just all the world would be a fairy tale and everyone would be an angel? And then I understood that this is never going to happen. Unless I use my magical fingers and Photoshop to transform the whole city and people into angels. Dum daram 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 dum 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 daram. So I found some nice images. Wow, this is probably not how you imagine angels. A bearded guy, a little overweight. To make it more realistic, I decided to turn everyone into angels. This beautiful image as well. And also, I tried this but it didn't work. This beautiful city, beautifully. I think this is also going to be an awesome. We can add just circles here. And wow. And okay, I have no idea what is this doing here. Wow, this is a beautiful toilet. So all the works consist mainly of four parts, exactly. First part is of course the color grading. For that I will just use, camera raw filter. And I'm gonna use this one to make the artwork be pink and cyan colors. Let's see, a little bit of bluish, a little bit of violet. I wanna add a little bit of dehaze and also vibrance. Wow. And also I want to make the texture a little bit softer. So if I now zoom in, for example, you see, soft, not soft, soft, not soft. I mean, you get the difference, right? I want to make it a little bit softer because angels are supposed to be soft. At least the ones that I know. I don't know, maybe you know some really bad angels, I wonder if people would still use drugs and get drunk if they were angels. I also want to decrease the contrast. A bit, increase exposure, blah blah blah, expose this. This is going to look magnificent. But the main thing is in HSL adjustments here. I'm just gonna, add all the pink and cyan colors. Yeah, just like that. Oh, wow, just like that. Yes. And now let's click that sweet OK button and look at that. Magnificent. Isn't that beautiful? I mean, look at those colors. And now, wait, am I even recording? So anyway, all the other images also got their magical color makeover. Boom, 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 chicka boom, boom, chicka boom, boom. Next step is say hello. Not hello, hello, okay, it's a different thing. There's one thing when you see someone, you say hello, and there's one thing when you have a thing on your head which is called hello. Well, isn't it in Spanish hello, hello? Hello? Hola. Hola. Wait, in German, hello is hallo. Yeah, so let's select the ellipse tool. I want to make sure there is no fill color and have like white stroke. Now if I start drawing this, I want to make this a little bit thicker, 8 pixels. Before we do anything to this beautiful halo, let's click right button and choose convert to smart object. And now we go to filter, okay, blur and Gaussian blur. What this is going to do, this is going to make it a little bit softer because angels are supposed to be soft, okay? So we have Gaussian blur and I'm gonna make radius 1, but you can make it a little bit smaller. Let's click that OK button. And now when we have this, let's go to ellipse. So now on this empty place, okay, please don't click here, don't click on the text, on this empty place. I have to say this every time because I have students that I teach personally, like one-to-one, and every time I tell them double click, they go and they click here, they click here, they click here, but they don't click on this big place. This makes me so angry. So let's just double click here, okay, calm down, okay, don't get angry, it's all fine. And here we need to choose outer glow, and voila! It's shiny now. Make sure opacity is 100%, blending mode is normal, color just make sure it's white. And also, so here technique must be soft. I mean, you know why it needs to be soft, right? Because angels are soft. So now spread and size. So with that you can control, how big you want the glow to be, how strong you want it to be, and so on. I'm gonna make something like this. This looks good. Yeah, good. Let's click OK now. I mean, this looks good. So the next step would be actually, changing the color. What is it called? Adding white color into the eyes. But we don't really see her eyes. I mean, we can just make them shine a bit. And for that, what I'm gonna do, is I'm gonna create a new empty layer. Okay, I'm gonna choose my brush tool, white color, and I'm gonna start drawing. Не кричите, да, айбала. Не кричите, айбала. I'm gonna start drawing white, just like here. Okay, maybe too much. And now again, click right button, convert to smart object. Let's go to filter. Okay, let's go to blur and Gaussian blur and make it 1, 2, 1. And now let's also add some outer glow. No, I'm gonna delete it. Okay, so don't do it. Okay, don't listen to me. Sometimes I do stupid things. I mean, in other artworks, for example, here, for example, as you can see, I did it because we actually see the eyes, and in other ones I don't see the eyes. Or for example, here, as you can see, I also did the same, adding white colors, but I decided not to publish this artwork because this angel here looks actually like a demon. Look at her. I mean, I'm sorry, I have nothing against, I don't even know this girl, but the thing is that she's smiling, her smile is so creepy with these white eyes, okay? It doesn't look like a fairy tale. It looks like a fairy tale that is a fake fairy tale, and as soon as you get there, everything is gonna be red, and then just demons and devils are going to pop up like pimples. Wait, there was something important I wanted to show you. Okay, I know. On my website learnfromfred.com there is a class, Unique Art Ideas and Techniques for Next Digital Artwork. It actually shows you all the tricks and techniques that I use in my artworks. You know, it shows you everything in details and also help you create all the cool artworks that I have. So if you're interested in that and also in getting all the other classes that I have, you know, just go to learnfromfred.com and you can start with 30-day free trial. And then if you decide to continue, it's just $7 per month. Wow! And I mean, of course, you don't have to continue. If you don't want to continue, then you just cancel and you don't pay anything. And all you have to do is just text me, thank you Farid, you taught me something, and I will be your welcome. And then we'll go and have a beer together, right? Maybe. Be my baby. I'm kidding, please don't. My girlfriend will kill me. I'm kidding, I don't have a girlfriend. Next step is to add magical shine. Wow. I'm gonna use this glitter pattern. You can just, you know, Google glitter pattern and download the first image that you see. Well, actually, let's see what is the first image. Otherwise, you're going to download it and then you're going to be, hey, you told me to download this glitter pattern. Let's see what is the first image that we see. Wow! I was right. You can just download the first image. Genius. I'm gonna make this a little bit smaller and also I'm gonna rotate this. I need to put this on her closes, on her closing. Not like closing, but like is there actually a word closing? I mean, I know closing is to close something, but closing, is it similar? Anyway, just shut up for it. I will use quick selection tool to start selecting her, what is this thing called, shirt? Is it t-shirt, is it shirt? Now let's turn on this and let's create a mask. And look at that, boom! What? Who told you not to be inside the selection, huh? Huh? I'm gonna select white color brush and I'm gonna select my mask and start drawing on my mask to add this back to selection. Now when we have done this, let's go to normal and let's select the other blending modes. For example, wow, this looks nice, but it really shine. I need something shiny, shine bright like a, you know, like what? Okay, I cannot sing that song because I feel like if I do it, then I will get copyrighted. Not like if anyone cares about my channel or my videos. I'm pretty small, but not like in size, but in channel size, but now it shines bright. And now the last step is to add some rainbow colors. Ta-na-na-na. By the way, regarding this shiny thing, you can use it in different places, okay? For example, look here in the sky. Wow. Her clothes, their clothes, the floor. Wait, what is happening? Yes, the rainbow colors. So, okay, I'm doing this on purpose because I feel like you need to feel how tasty is this tea. Okay, now let's click right button, let's select rectangle tool, let's go to stroke, let's click no stroke, let's go to fill, let's select gradient and let's select rainbow gradient. This is a gradient that every Photoshop has as a default. And now I'm gonna create this gradient. I'm just gonna draw, okay, from here to here, like something like a little bit bigger, maybe like that. What? Okay, this is not what I was planning. So let's go again to fill. Radial, let's just change it to linear. Boom. And let's also change the angle. We need it to be 0. Now let's take this, let's bring it here. Click right button and choose convert to smart object. Let's go to blending mode and choose a lighten screen light. Okay, lighten. Let's go to filter, blur and motion blur. Voila! Angle 0, a little bit of distance, and we get this beautiful color. Magnificent. Let's click OK. What we can also do, for example, I can go to edit, transform and perspective, and now I can just make it like that, and I can make it like that a bit and put it to the right, so we have a little bit of more green here. And now if I click OK, wow, now we also have this green color here, and this is how it's done. We also have it here, bam. We don't have it here, we have it here on the top. Everyone's scared of me.